Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning on or off autoplaying of videos on the Facebook mobile app. So this will work for iOS and Android devices, and basically it can be very useful if you're trying to watch how much data you're using, or maybe you just don't like autoplaying videos showing up on your feed. I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. Go down to where it says Settings and Privacy to expand that. And then you want to select the Settings button at the top. Underneath Preferences, you want to go down to Media. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says Autoplay, you can turn off Autoplay by selecting this last option to just never autoplay videos. You can also select only on Wi-Fi, it'll do autoplay, and you can also select on mobile data and Wi-Fi, so basically it'll always use autoplay. So several different options here to explore, and then once you're done, it should say changes were saved, and you can just back out of here, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.